Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to track Tesco grocery order. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in tesco.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Tesco. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So in order to track your order, what you have to do is go to your account interface. For that, click on the option My Account that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to see your account details over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the section for orders. Right over here, you'll be able to see the order status. So simply click on the option View All. Now you'll be led to your orders interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find your upcoming orders and past purchases. You'll also be able to see your current orders over here. Along with that, you'll also be able to see the order status. So like this, you'll be able to track your orders. So that is how you track Tesco grocery order. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.